Edinburgh College Granton campus is the largest of the college's 4 campuses, stretching to 30,000 square metres of space, with 1,800 students and staff through the doors every day. We've used a lot of Forbo through all of our campuses over the years. We're keen to look at new products, and because of the fact that we are open 50 weeks of the year and 7 days a week, we had to find something that was quick and easy to lay while the college was still open, which is why we chose the Modul'up system. We used that in conjunction with Tessera tiles, and we found that quite a good combination.
Modul'up is part of Forbo's Fast Fit range, which is a group of products that offer a quick and easy economical solution thanks to their adhesive-free installation. For the installers, this saves costs and reduces installation times by half, allowing for the floor to be completed in a quicker time frame, meaning the contractors can complete more areas. For when the time comes for the floor covering to be replaced, with it being the Modul'up adhesive-free material, this could be uplifted without leaving any residue on either the material or the subfloor. This can then be recycled or passed on for further use. The installation went really well, and feedback from the client was they were very, very pleased with the outcome of the Forbo Modul'up. As a contractor, we would recommend Forbo's Fast Fit collection for future projects.
In regards to the lack of odour in circulation spaces was really good. Sustainability point of view is very good from a college point of view as well, and the fact that you can walk on it right away was a great advantage for us. I'm absolutely delighted with the finished product. It's gone down really well, and my cleaners are extremely happy that they've got something nice to clean now.